Dental insurance explained. Many of us have questions about how dental insurance works, what it covers, and how to make the most out of it. Well, you're in luck because in this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of dental insurance and explaining everything you need to know. So, let's get started. Segment 1: What is dental insurance? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. Dental insurance is a type of health insurance that specifically focuses on covering dental care expenses. It's designed to help you manage the costs of routine checkups, preventive care, and any necessary treatments for dental issues. Segment 2: How does dental insurance work? Understanding how dental insurance works is essential to making the most out of your plan. Unlike traditional health insurance, dental insurance typically operates on a co-payment and co-insurance basis. Here's how it works. 1. Co-payment. This is a fixed amount you pay for certain dental services, like a regular checkup or teeth cleaning. The amount varies depending on your insurance plan. 2. Co-insurance. Once you've paid your co-payment, your insurance will cover a percentage of the cost for other services, such as fillings, root canals, or crowns. The remaining percentage is your responsibility. It's important to note that dental insurance often comes with an annual maximum, which is the highest amount the insurance will pay in a calendar year. Any costs beyond this limit will be your responsibility. Segment 3: Types of dental insurance plans. There are different types of dental insurance plans available, and it's essential to choose one that fits your needs and budget. Here are the most common types. 1. Dental Health Maintenance Organization, DHMO. These plans require you to choose a primary dentist from a network of providers. You must get referrals to see specialists, but DHMOs generally have lower premiums and co-payments. 2. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. PPO plans offer a network of dentists you can choose from, and you can see specialists without referrals. Though premiums may be higher, you'll have more flexibility in selecting a dentist. 3. Indemnity Dental Insurance. This plan offers the most flexibility as you can see any dentist you prefer, with no network restrictions. However, it typically has higher out-of-pocket costs and may require you to pay upfront and get reimbursed later. Segment 4: What does dental insurance cover? Dental insurance plans generally cover 3 primary types of services. 1. Preventive care. This includes routine checkups, teeth cleanings, X-rays, and sealants. Preventive care is often fully covered by the insurance, so it's crucial to take advantage of these services to maintain good oral health. 2. Basic procedures. Basic treatments such as fillings and simple extractions are typically covered, but you may be required to pay a co-payment or co-insurance. 3. Major procedures. Complex treatments like root canals, crowns, bridges, and dentures fall into this category. Dental insurance usually covers a percentage of these costs, and you'll be responsible for the remaining portion. Segment 5: Tips for maximizing your dental insurance benefits. To get the most out of your dental insurance, here are some helpful tips. 1. Know your plan. Understand the specifics of your dental insurance coverage, including co-payments, co-insurance percentages, and the annual maximum. 2. Use preventive care. Schedule regular checkups and cleanings to prevent costly dental issues later on. 3. In-network dentists. If you have a PPO or DHMO plan, choose dentists within your network to save on costs. 4. Plan ahead. If you anticipate major dental work, try to schedule it within the same calendar year to maximize your annual benefit limit. 5. Consider supplemental insurance. If your plan doesn't cover certain procedures you might need, look into supplemental dental insurance to fill the gaps. 6. Maintain oral health. Taking care of your teeth through proper brushing, flossing, and a healthy diet can reduce the need for extensive dental treatments. Conclusion. So, that's dental insurance explained. Remember, dental insurance is a valuable tool that can help you maintain a healthy smile and save on dental expenses. Be sure to review your plan, understand what it covers, and make the most of your benefits. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.